Beyond the canopy lies the living force of nature, a rainforest that sustains people, wildlife, and every breath we take. Here, every life is connected. The forest breathes with its wildlife and the people who have cared for it across generations. Through protection and restoration, rangers and communities work side by side so the forest can heal and its wildlife can endure. Across the landscape, people are shaping livelihoods that care for the land while sustaining the future of their families.
Through the Living Landscapes initiative, we protect biodiversity, restore forest corridors, and support sustainable production. Together with Procter Gamble, we are embarking on efforts that help people and nature thrive.
At Procter & Gamble, we know that progress towards many of our environmental sustainability goals requires partnership. WWF is one of our key partners in this mission. WWF-Malaysia and P&G are partnering for landscape conservation in Peninsular Malaysia, an important landscape for people, biodiversity, and the production of oil palm.
Malaysia's rainforests are lifeline for rivers, wildlife, and communities.